Did you know that some people can make themselves the victim in every single fight, even when they're clearly wrong? She learned this the hard way with her ex, who had mastered the art of victim-villain reversal. Every time she brought up real problems, like his drinking or refusing to help around the house, he would immediately start crying. He'd say things like, "You're attacking me," or "You never appreciate anything I do." When she tried to leave, he threatened to hurt himself. He even called her need for basic respect emotional abuse. This is psychological manipulation at its finest. These people weaponize their own emotions to avoid taking responsibility. They make you feel guilty for having normal needs. The scariest part, they actually believe they're the victim. This tactic is so effective because it completely shuts down conversations. You stop bringing up problems because you don't want the drama. Meanwhile, they're telling everyone else how mean and demanding you are. The truth is, professional victims aren't looking for solutions. They're looking for control.